Hey guys, this is RLC321 back again with another model kit build. This is the continuation of the 1350 Enterprise refit and excuse me, I wanted to do a quick unboxing opening of some of the parts that I've got in for that. So we got this here and we've got this here. So we're going to start with the Photoetch parts. Okay, so again, this is the 1350 set from Paragraphics. So we've got our instruction sheet, and then we have our oh excuse me please, jeez, that came out, didn't it? And we have our Photoetch parts, and the detail on the Photoetch parts is really nice. It really is. So this is going to be for the Arboretum, this area here. We got little teeny tiny dudes. I'm actually thinking of actually buying some 1350 plastic figures and give them a very rough paint up, instead of using these and giving these a rough paint up. That's what I was originally going to do, but then I thought, you know, I'm going to try that instead. So these are the parts. You can see how fine some of these bits are if we go up nice and close, and we've got to try and cut those off and sand them as best as we can. And we've got our worker bee pieces here. We've got our airlock, we've got our officer's lounge just there, and that will actually tie in nicely. We'll look at these in a oh okay, we've got shadow casters for the windows as well, which I'm not going to use. I was actually thinking of using these in Voyager, to be fair. I was thinking of using it in using some of these in the client Voyager build I've got. I'm gonna see how that would work. But I think it should still fit. So let's have a look at the introductions for these. The instructions. We've got the instructions for the hangar bay right there, and we've got cargo pods that we're going to be built. We've got need to drill out holes and things like that for the windows. Then we've got shelving, no, railings. That's it. We've got railings to be put on. Some of the worker bee things here. So we've got the shuttles, and then we've got the worker bees there. We've got cargo trains, which I think is brilliant, so that's awesome. We've got the airlock. We can have it either open or closed. I'm thinking of having it open, just why not. The recreation deck, as I've already mentioned. We've got the impulse engines. Now the impulse engines have given us two different sets. So we've got the one that's going to be going on our kit, or we've got the one that we can get on for Don's Light and Magic. Now sadly, Don's Light and Magic, the Don has passed away, so we'll no longer be able to get these parts. But it doesn't matter, we're still going to use these. Okay, and that will help shine the impulse engine through everything as well. Here's the Arboretum walls that are going to be put into there. Some more hatches and things like that, with a few bits of greeblies. The energy fields, that's going to go around the deflector dish. The shuttle bay doors, which are going to be half open, of course. Then the windows. This is where I'm going to be showing you how to use the masking tape thing I was telling you about, because you can use the masking tape, place this on the masking tape, put it on there so you get a nice flush finish on the part, and then on the opposite side glue it in, use the activator, and your job is done. And then obviously the warp engine end grills caps. Okay, and I say the detail on here is absolutely phenomenal. It really is. So this is the Don's Light and Magic ones, and this is the ones we'll be using just there. Okay, you got some absolutely awesome detail on here is the deflector dish ring just there. Now coinciding with this, I have also bought from HDA HDA Model Works some decals. There we go. So we've got some decals for our oh, what's it called? So the airlock, we've got some decals for the airlock right there. We've got decals for our boxes and things like that. That's going to go on, and these match up the numbers. So you've got 21, they match up with 21, the numbers on the actual photo etch part, which is brilliant. We've got our arboretum, and we've got 2 of everything, which is in case you screw up, you're sorted. So we've got our decals for the arboretum walls as well, so that's going to make that look absolutely awesome sauce, because I ain't going to paint all these details in. Alright. But not only that, we have decals for our arboretum. Again, because I would never be able to paint these details in myself. I'm not that good of a miniature painter to get right in tiny details and get everything all done, even though I've done Warhammer 40k in the past. So, oh god, stay over there, will you? So this is gonna be fitting on here, and the light is gonna be able to shine through, because I believe these are transparent decals. You've even got on here, don't know if we can see it up close, but we've got the Vija cloud right there, so you can see everything. These are actually quite good. I think this one cost me about £13-14 or something like that for this set of decals, and I just like the way you got 2 of everything in case you screw it up, which is good, because knowing me, I will invariably screw things up, because I'm kind of like that, you know. But yeah, so I just wanted to show you these and how these are going to go. I'm going to put these together and then put the decals on, or put these on top of these and then fold them how they need to be. But obviously that's excuse me, that'll be for a completely other video, because I'm not doing anything like that, because this is not ready. I'm not ready for this yet at all. I'm still trying to find, I'm still waiting on the masking set for the 350 for the Aztec pattern. I'm only going to do a 2-part Aztec pattern, so it's going to be like a pearlescent white all over the whole model, and then a very off-white, again going to be a pearlescent off-white for the secondary color, so it'll give a fairly nice effect. And obviously I'm still waiting. I've also got some Paragraphics decal set for my Revell's Enterprise Into Darkness JJ prize, and I've got a decal sheet, Aztec pattern decal sheet coming in from there. The masking set and the decal set is all coming from Cameron's Decals, so when I do get them in, I'll do a full unbagging, boxing, whatever video for them, so you can see them, and then put links to his website and everything. At the moment, the Paragraphics set I got from HDA Model Works. Got both of these from HDA Model Works, and I think the Voyager one I actually got from eBay. Got the Voyager one from eBay. So guys, I'm gonna say thank you very much for watching this part of the video. I'm actually thinking about, I'm just trying to figure out where is the shuttle bay doors, because I'm positive this had shuttle bay door thingy on my boy. I think my bobby on there. I was almost positive it did. I could be wrong. Oh, it did. It does. Yes. Okay. So, part 27 goes on the sides, and then part 23 goes on the inside of that. to make it look like the doors are open. Right, gotcha. I see. So they are the shuttle bay. These are the shuttle bay doors right there. I see. So you got these lines marry up to each other. So that end is going to go there, but just leaving a very slight gap between the two. So it looks like this. I don't know if you can see that too clearly. There you go. Because if you look at the actual Photoetch parts, you can see they've got like a lighter edging to them. Okay, right guys, so that's for the 350 Enterprise. I've already shown you how to anneal Photoetch parts, so I'm not going to show that again when I do the 350. It's already going to be done. As I say, I don't need to do it again. I'm going to do this right now in my off time. And actually, do you know what? I'll show you how to do it again. Yeah, I might as well, just in case you haven't seen my Voyage video, because you may not be interested in the Voyage video, but you may be interested in the one 350. Photoetch is basically brass. It's very, very springy, and we don't want it to be springy. Ideally, you would use a naked a flame and just quickly go over it until it changes color, and then you're done. I don't have that, so I'm going to use my heat gun on the highest setting. So this is how I do it. Okay, so that's now annealed. You can see how it's changed color. So what you don't want to do is touch it. Do not touch it. I cannot stress this enough. It will scald you and burn you, and you do not want trips to the hospital. So you let that sit, let it rest, let it cool down. It can take an hour or so, doesn't matter. Let it cool down. But the idea of this is these parts are very, very springy, and we don't want it to be too springy, but you also don't want to put too much heat onto it, just enough so it just starts changing color, and then you'll be golden. Okay, so there you go. That's the annealing, and I thought I might as well show it on this video as well. I need to let this sit and cool down now. So guys, I'm going to say thank you very much for watching this video. Just a little bit of an update on the 1350. I think the next part of the 350 we might start on the Arboretum. There's a few little bits I need to buy for that. But we'll cross that bridge when we get there. And I will see you guys in the next video. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.